Hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv. Let me show you the magic that right now just I getting. So right now here you can see is all the workflows, the product, everything it is being done with the help of cursor. Okay, each and everything you can see it now create my workflow, it design a kind of website, it gives me idea, and not only that, each and everything, and it has built the pricing model also that how I can sell to the international market and Indian market both. And if I'll show you the sample, you will be amazed. Just within 2 minutes it has created something like this. Here you can see. Okay, so you can see the costing, the pricing page. Of course this is an HTML right now local, but that all we needed initially, right? What more we needed to show someone? But here it's proper working. Even it added proper link inside it also. So actually this is my calendar link, it has attached, so whenever I want I can like click and I can show people live instead of doing in PDF or any kind of PPT. Why not to use technology to show someone ki, okay, what is the possibilities? And this I can do multiple times in front of client. I can create these kind of things in front of the client then and there. And here you can see all the work, all the file, whatever I'm discussing with it. So that's the possibility of AI. Okay, I'll just ask one thing and it is going to generate. And even I'll show you something more, the workflow, the level of workflow it has. And that is again so okay, let me show you here if you will able to see. Yeah, can you see these workflows was just generated within 1 and 2 minutes, nothing more than that. Of course I just need to set it up. That's how AI can create a thing. Okay, so even here if I'll show you more, right now it's generated already, lead assigned full assignment, because that's, yeah, can you see this is what I asked it to build and it built properly just with the help of cursor, nothing more than that. Okay, and now I have my website, now I have my pricing page, now I have skills. I can do whatever I wanted to do, right? Even if you guys wanted to check, you can check. And not only this, it is deploying everything in my GitHub, whatever I'm saying it. Okay, just with the command, simple command, I'm connecting nothing, just you can see all the things over here. Just recently it has already deployed few more automations. If I'll show you uh here, okay, and at 10 2026, and here we have, you can see 3 hours ago, 1 hour ago. Yes, that is the possibility of AI, like really great. I'll suggest everyone to start using. And of course what I'll do, I'm going to provide a solution for the companies who are looking for automations, and who want to create something better. They want to save their time, they want to save their money. That's where I'm going to help. Not only this, if you wanted a kind of consulting how to use all these systems, then of course, like right now you can see in front of you, I'm able to do all these things in a real time, whether it is cloud code, cursor, creating a real product, anything. Okay, of course I can help you with that also. For that, either you can visit my website Agentic AI Solutions hub.com, and here you can click. Once you will click, then you will uh, have a calendly link. You can book directly free call, free meeting with me. There we can discuss. Okay, I think this is not working. Let me see over here. I need to refresh most probably, and then yeah. So even this website itself being created with the help of AI. I didn't do anything, but yeah, this is live. Okay, this is not something in HTML, this is live that you can check also. So right now here you can see we have page, make AI work for you. So it is useful for anyone. Okay, right, just before we have seen 16,000 job layoff from Amazon. It's not because they were not able to do anything, just because I am alone, and with the help of my AI Angelina I can do anything. Okay, I just named it Angelina, was something I'm creating. So what I believe now, next 1 and 2 month, I alone and one AI assistant. That's all I need to build a product, to sell, and to interact with people, do whatever I want to do. Everything can be automated, everything. Okay, and here you can see the live example. You just tell me and I'll show you the product. Okay, this can be built, this can be built. Okay, I hope you are loving these kind of videos. Let me know in the comment if you wanted something else, something more. Okay, so we can work over it. All right, thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you wanted any kind of consultation or any kind of solutions in your company, in your personal life, like with the help of AI, that you wanted to grow your career and all, let me know. I'll put my Calendly link along with my LinkedIn link as well. There you can also connect with me. So yeah, I'm at every place. Let's connect. Let's discuss if you want to automate your entire workforce and work. Okay, thank you for watching.